Okay, welcome to Onboarding, welcome to Coding and Scripting, and welcome to Unitech. In this little Zoom session, we're going to talk about some things that you can expect from this program. I will introduce you to a couple of platforms, and we're going to meet our directors and our registrar. So first, we're going to do our introductions. I'll introduce myself first. My name is Sonia Maximenkova. I will be your Coding and Scripting instructor, and I will be the main point of communication when it comes to anything related to your academics. Today on the call, we also have Ms. Jessica Washington, which is our online director, and we also have Ms. Marcia Gallagher, which is our director of education.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Unitech Training Academy. I am your online director, and I'm very delighted to have each and every one of you joining us on this exciting journey. As the online director, I manage operations, and I'm here to support and guide you throughout your time here. My goal is to ensure that you have the resources that help you need to be successful. We will be overseeing your academic success plan and collaborating very closely with your instructor to provide you with the best possible education and training. I firmly believe that open communication is crucial for your success. So please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or concerns, whether it is about an assignment, course materials, or simply seeking motivation. We are here to assist you. I encourage you to make the most of the opportunities and resources available to you and to embrace the challenges that may lie ahead. So let's dive in and make the most incredible opportunity. And again, welcome to Unitech.
Hello, everybody. Welcome. I'm Miss Marcia Gallagher. I'm the Director of Education. I am going to be working very closely with Miss Sonia. I will be monitoring your grades, your attendance as you matriculate through the program. I'll be here to offer support to your instructor and to each and every one of you. I want to tell you that here at Unitech, we want you to begin to practice having a career. So the very first day, you're not only starting your first day of school, but you're starting I don't want to say your very first career, but you're starting your career in coding and scripting. Miss Sonia is your direct supervisor. Miss Jessica is your CEO. I may be your COO, and Miss Franny may be your director of human resources. But that's the way I like for you guys to look at schooling. Is it your career? And you need to put your best foot forward. You have a great resource and instructor in Miss Sonia. And I also want to make sure that you guys realize that you need to make a portfolio so that when you graduate, you'll have that portfolio ready and you'll have your new career sitting right there for you. Welcome and have a wonderful first day.
Thank you, Ms. Marcia and Ms. Jessica. And also we have Ms. Franny. Ms. Franny is our online registrar.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Unitech. I'm Ms. Franny, your online registrar, and I help build your diploma plan to make sure you're staying on track in your curriculum. If at any time you need verification to show that you're in school, you can contact me. Also, this is a reminder to complete your orientation within 2 days so that you can go through our policies and procedures that we have. It's under my courses in your Moodle program. I look forward to seeing you all on stage at graduation in a few months. Again, welcome to your new journey at Unitech Training Academy.
Thank you so much. Okay, I will start going over the important stuff, such as academics and attendance policy. So
all right, well, Miss Sonia, we're going to go ahead and head on out. Nice to meet you all. Welcome, 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 and we'll be seeing you soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Unitech.
Okay, so now let's talk about the fun stuff. So attendance. We record attendance every single day, Monday through Friday, and it is important for you to show us that you are in class. Since we are fully online, this is a fully online program, we will not be meeting face to face. So Attendance is recorded based on the activities that you submit either in Moodle or in any of the additional platforms that we use. So how can you get marked present for the day? I will be posting daily attendance question. Daily attendance question is just a multiple choice question. It doesn't matter if you get it right or wrong. You just need to submit an answer. If you submit an answer, you will be marked as present. Another way to get marked as present is by either submitting a lab, a quiz, an exam, or any other academic related activity. So anything that can be graded counts towards your attendance. If you miss 7 days in a row, so for example, 7 days in a row, you are not submitting anything, you will be getting a letter mailed to you, to your address, which will state that you have missed 7 days in a row. But before that, starting around day 4 or day 5, you will start getting calls from me and calls from Miss Marcia or Miss Jessica, just depending on who's available, to see what's going on, to check up on you, and see if you need any additional help or if there's something going on. If you get to day 14 of not submitting any assignments, so 2 weeks of not logging in, not submitting any assignments, unfortunately, you will be dropped from the program. So let's not get to that. And if you are struggling with something, just reach out to me. You have my email, you have my phone number, just reach out to me and we will get you sorted out. Consecutive absences, as I said, the two main things to remember: 7 calendar days, you get a drop warning letter. 14 calendar days, you are getting dropped from the program. So let's not get to that. Makeup policy. We have a makeup policy here at Unitech. Excused absences, which are if there is an emergency, if you're in a hospital, so any excused absences, you need to provide some sort of documentation for me with a start date and the end date of your excused absence, and you will get your 2 days after you are done with your excused absence, 2 days to submit any assignments that you missed. 2 full days. For unexcused absences, you do not have that 2-day grace period, but for each day that you miss or each day of the assignment that you don't submit, you will get a 5% deduction from the total grade that you get. Maximum of 5. So if you don't submit anything 5 days after the due date, you will get a 0 for that assignment, unfortunately. Academic probation. You have to maintain a 2.0 GPA to not be on probation, which means you need to get a grade of C or higher in any of your courses that you are attending. So if you get a D or F, you unfortunately will be put on probation and you will have to get a grade of B or higher, in some cases an A, to get off of probation. You can get up to 4 probations. After that, you will be dropped from the program. And again, let's not get to that. It is all easily avoidable because you can communicate with me and we can figure out a plan how to get you off probation. So if we work together, we can easily avoid the probation and your grades can be at the top. Accountability checklist. So make sure that you have a reliable internet connection. Make sure that you have Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. It doesn't really matter. Make sure that you have steady Wi-Fi so you can submit your assignments on time. Then time management, manage your time. It is very important. So for example, if you have a full-time job, find some time to sit every single day and do your assignments for 30 minutes to an hour. Now, you can also submit your assignments on the weekends, whatever works best for you. But if you're not somebody who can just sit down for a long period of time and study, I recommend that you take some time every single day to submit your assignments or to learn the material. Active participation, actively engage in any online discussions that we will have on our Moodle page, attend live lectures when you can. If you need any additional information on anything that you don't understand, just reach out to me, send me an email, shoot me a text. I'm always here to help. Let's see. Communication, make sure that when you are sending an email, make sure that you are communicating clearly with what you need, what the problem is, what the issue is. If I communicate something with you via email or via text, make sure that you communicate back with me in a timely manner. Don't make me wait for a day, 2 days. Just make sure that when you see something that's coming from me, make sure you read it, make sure you reply to it if needed. Self-care, make sure you take breaks, make sure to take care of yourself as you are going through this program. Sometimes it can be challenging. If you are struggling, just make sure that you reach out to me first and we can get you sorted out and I can help you in any way that I can. If you need any accommodations, if you need any accessibilities, just make sure again that you communicate that with me and we can go from there. Moodle. Moodle is a platform where you will find all of your daily assignments, all of your exams, all of your labs. So everything regarding this course will be in Moodle. This is the website for Moodle right here, unitech.diamondlms.com. If you click on this link, you will be taken straight to Moodle. Now, how do you get to Moodle? You get to Moodle through your Unitech email. Now, when you joined Unitech, you were given your school email. Every single one of you was given a new school email that ends at unitechta.edu. You can find that email in your personal email. So whatever email you have provided to us at the beginning of your journey with us, that's where the instructions on how to log into your personal school email were sent to. So go to that email, register, make your account. You can download Outlook to have that app on your phone because all of the communications that you will be having regarding school will be sent to your school email, not your personal email. Yeah, so make sure you check that email pretty frequently. And inside of that email, inside of your school email, you will find instructions on how to get to your account in Moodle. Now, when you get to that account in Moodle, you will have to submit a form. That form is called New Student ARA form. It is an informational form. It's just, I think it's 7 to 8 questions. It's just basic information about you, your name, your phone number, your email, stuff like that. So make sure you submit it before the end of today. Today is May 7th. Tuesday, May 7th, before the end of today, before 11:59 p.m. to become an active student. Live lectures are going to be hosted on Tuesdays and Thursdays through Zoom. Make sure that you send me your availability when you are available for these live lectures. I will try to accommodate to as many of you guys as I can. But if you cannot attend live lectures, make sure you let me know that you cannot attend those live lectures. And watch the recordings of these live lectures because it is essential that you watch these videos to succeed in this program. Every single one of your courses will have live lectures and will have recorded live lectures. Make sure you watch them before submitting any assignments because all of the information that you need to know will come from these lectures. The link will be sent out to you on the days when we have our live lectures. And as I said, the live lectures are going to be recorded and they will be posted on our Moodle page. If you need any assistance, I am available from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on the weekdays. If you send me an email or a text within that time frame, I will reach back to you in about an hour, probably sooner, but at the most, it will be an hour. You can reach me either by phone, text, or email. Email is preferred. So if you need to reach me by email, make sure you do it from your school email. So log into Outlook, log into your school email, and send me an email from that email address. If you need any help with your assignments, make sure that you reach out to me in a timely manner. If you are reaching out to me on Sunday at 10 p.m. and your assignment is due at 11:59 p.m., don't expect a reply from me. If you reach out to me on Friday at around noon or before 5 p.m., if you reach out to me on Friday about an assignment that's due on Sunday, I will be glad to help you. However, on the weekends, I might not get to my email. I may not check it because it's the weekend. So don't expect a reply from me over the weekend. I will get back to you on Monday. Make sure to communicate with me in a concise way. So just make sure that you are clear with which issues you are having, which questions you have. Just make sure that you type it out with proper grammar and that you are proving your point and you are asking a direct question if you have a question. The help that I can provide it in many different ways, over a phone call, over text, over a Zoom meeting, over email. So we can set something up for each one of you individually. Now, let me show you what your Moodle page actually looks like. Let's go back. Let's close Zoom. And let's go into our programming logic and design course. Okay, so this is what your Moodle page will look like. Now, this is what Miss Franny was talking about, my courses. If you click on my courses, this is what you will see. It will not be the same, but you will have this course right here, Programming Logic and Design, with a yellow logo. When you click on it, this is where you will find all of your assignments. Let me switch to student mode really quick to show you what it looks like for you. So this is going to be your page. This is the form that you need to submit, new student ARA. When you click on it and you click attempt quiz, you will be taken straight to your straight to the form. Now check announcements pretty regularly. I will be posting important information regarding this class in announcement. These are the classroom expectations for the PLD 101 course. Make sure you read them and make sure you understand each one of the things that I am expecting of you. Now, these little tiles right here, this is where you will find everything that you need to succeed in this class. Under lecture videos, you will find all of the lecture videos, all of the chapters that we covered during week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and week 5. Also, there's the platform called UCertify. This is where you will be submitting your labs. So these labs, this platform also has lecture videos that you can watch if you want to know more information about what we are covering. Now, daily assignments right here. Daily assignments in your labs and your quizzes and exams, they're all separated by weeks. The dates can be found on after the week. So this week is May 7th through May 12th. These are all of the assignments that you have to submit. These are the attendance questions, as I mentioned before. The labs, again, they're all separated by weeks. All that you have to do is just click on the lab and it will take you straight to the platform where you have to submit those labs. Now, exams and quizzes, same idea. They're all covered and they're all under the respective week. Programming projects is also something that you have to be doing. They're all under a separate tab called programming projects. Now, course resources, this is where you can find the ebook. So if you like to read a book, if you gain information better when you are reading something, you are welcome to use these resources and to read the book for every of the chapters that we are covering. And the Student Information Hub, this is our Unitech mission and vision statement. Then there's also attendance and makeup policy if you want to read on it more, and the Unitech website. Okay, one thing to know, last thing that I'm going to talk about is the daily attendance question is due daily. So as you see in the description, it says submitting an answer to this question will mark you present for Wednesday and which date it is. These attendance questions are due at 11:59 p.m. on the day that they were assigned. Now, the labs and the quizzes and all of the exams are due on Sunday of the week. So for example, this one is going to be due on May 12th at 11:59 p.m. Make sure that you submit them on time. Same thing with the quizzes. They are due on May 12th at 11:59 p.m. for this week. You can go ahead, you can go forward, you can go at your own pace. If you want to move faster than how this class is moving, you are welcome to do so. Just make sure that you are not falling behind. That's one thing that we do not want to have. is if you are falling behind and you're not submitting your assignments on time, you will not be able to succeed in this program. So make sure that if you are falling behind, reach out to me first and we can all figure it out together. Now, this is all that I have for you guys today. So make sure you log into Moodle, make sure you create your school email, you get access to your school email, go log into your Moodle, make sure you submit those orientation courses that Miss Franny was talking about, and I will see you during our next live lecture.